In this video, we are going to show you how to install the Bookmarklet in Chrome on iPad. Step 1. Add Bookmark and code to Chrome. Launch Chrome. Go to Accessing HKUL, eResources LibGuide of HKUL Libraries. Tap the Share button. Tap Edit Bookmark. At Edit Bookmark, change the bookmark name to Reload by HKUL. Copy the Bookmarklet code from Accessing HKUL, eResources LibGuide. Paste the code in the line for URL. Tap Done. Step 2. Search the articles at the publisher's website. Go to a web page that you would like to redirect through the library's easy proxy server. For example, Science Direct. As the publisher does not recognize your affiliation with HKUL Libraries, it asks you to pay for the articles. Tap More. Then tap Bookmarks. And then, select the bookmark, Reload via HKUL. Enter your HKUL portal UID, or library card number, and the PIN. After HKUL authentication, you can retrieve the full text of the articles. Note that the Bookmarklet works only if the HKUL Libraries has a subscription to the resources. Thanks for watching.